raining so hard I couldn't see out my visor.
Hammer down, just try to go fast.
It was actually a fun course when you're going fast. Pretty fun, a lot of techie, and then you get out to wide open, so it's pretty fun out here. I got Jackson Mandle. He's probably one of the fastest 12-year-olds out here in the desert, and really good at short course, so he'd probably rock in the trees.
You can yank the car around through all this tight stuff, and it can go pretty fast. It's a really fun car. Just try to go fast and run a good pace and keep the car together.
raining so hard I couldn't see, like, we were going so slow in the trees, I couldn't see out my visor, so I had it up literally the whole time. It was tough. It was touch and go there. It was actually a fun course when you're going fast. I really liked it. Main lesson, just don't give up. He was probably super excited to see the finish line. I was pretty excited to see it, but I like that course. It's pretty fun.